around him circling the umbrellas, which is a little confusing, but once we're all together, it'll make sense. You're gonna go around for an 8 count and a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry. Again, that part will make more sense when we get out there, so don't stress about that part. When you, after the 4 count, the 8 count and the 4 count, you're gonna hear singin', singin'. On the second singin', everybody's umbrellas are gonna go out. So if you're in the back, they'll go up. If you're in the front, they'll go down, out, whatever direction. So you'll just see the singer in the middle and all the umbrellas all of a sudden pop out in different directions. You're gonna hold singin' in the, and then pull it in and start to shut it on rain. And you're going to spread out to form 2 columns. So we'll let these guys kind of move around. Again, formations we'll work on when we get there. That's the umbrellas and the formations are gonna be the big thing that we have to work on when we get there. Some of you will be going right and some of you will be going left, so just know the move and we can fix who's gonna be which part when we get there. You're going to raise up your umbrella, 1, 2, and you're gonna drop it to the side that it's with that hand, the hand that's up, the umbrella's gonna drop to that side and you step out to the opposite side. So 1, 2, you drop it, 3, 4, and you do little, what do we wanna call them? They're just like little heel, is that, yeah. It's like heel steps. How many did we do again? 3 and a ball change. So you're gonna go, so you just did 1, 2, down 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're gonna pass by your partner that goes back up to your shoulder, and you do step, skip, and then you're doing a turning maxi forward. Step, shuffle, back toe, and step out. So let's do that a little faster so we can see what that part looks like from the crossing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, down 3, 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, from there, you kind of switch your body weight 1, 2. So whatever direction, what did we do here? Oh, this part will be a little bit easier once we get there because basically what we're doing is we're moving to a straight line from your columns. So you're going to be, you step out and put your umbrella down. So you're stepping out to the opposite weight that you are. So everybody's umbrella is on the right-hand side. You're walking around it while moving to a straight line. Walking, 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 walking. And then we're in a straight line and you're gonna do a roll off, kick it up to your shoulder. So roll off, roll off, roll off, roll off, roll off, okay? Again, stuff like that we'll work on very specifically when we get up there. From here, you're gonna do a flap, heel, heel, pivot, turn. So your right foot is gonna go a flap, heel, heel, and it's the foot that's flapping that drops first. Heel, heel, a flap, heel, heel, and then you step together and you hook. So if you look at their arms, you're making a line where the umbrella is hooking around the wrist of the person next to you. It'll be a really cool effect. You can kind of see in the mirror. Once you get here, you're going to do a low sway 2 times. So it goes sway, sway, and then you go up, sway, sway, and then you hear a wave in the music and we're gonna wave down moving with the left, da 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 da, all the way down. From here it's footwork. And you're gonna do a Shirley Temple to the right, a flap, heel, heel, back, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, heel, back, heel, toe, heel. We call these salsa Shirleys. I don't know what everybody else calls them, but it's a flap, heel, heel, a flap, front, a flap, heel, heel, a flap, heel, heel. So it's kind of like a salsa step with flaps. So let's try that whole Shirley Temple combo again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, heel, back, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, heel, back, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Good. And then from there, you're gonna go, this kind of speeds up, you go out, heel, heel, in, toe, toe, down, down. So it's and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. After that, you're going to do a right scuff, scuff, heel, heel, plant back. Now from here, this is gonna be a funny little roll up. I'm actually gonna switch to the front so you can see what's happening. It's gonna go down the line where the person starting, if you're looking at them right now to the right, is gonna push the umbrella to the person next to them, which means that the singer who will be on the far right will end up with no umbrella. The person on the far left will actually have two, and I'll tell you what we'll do with that once we get there. But it's gonna look like this. Can you guys show? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, da 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 da. So we'll have a whole long line where that's going down. From there, there's just like a bump, bump, and it's gonna be opening and posing. So we'll have a whole group pose that we'll work out when we get there. So the hardest part about this is gonna be controlling the umbrellas, and I'll make sure our singer is really consistent with his words, so if we're using words for some of it, it'll help you. I'm gonna have a separate video that has the whole thing to speed, which will make some of this make a little more sense when you hear it to the music. Feel free to email me if you have any questions, and make sure you practice. The expectation is that you know this when you get down there. We look forward to seeing you down in Mason. Talk to you later, bye.